Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and this is the I think sixth or seventh video. Okay, from this video what we are going to do is we are going to learn what are conditional statements in C++, and these statements are very similar to other programming languages like Java and C programming language as well. Alright, so what's a conditional statement? So consider this: if I give you something, maybe you will be happy or you will be sad, right? So that is what conditional statement is. That is, now what I'm saying is just in English, but if I have to tell that in the machine C++ language, we are using if and else for saying this. So let me demonstrate that to you. So I've already written this boiler code, which is very important. So let me say string let me say an item which is storing a value of let me say let me say something. Let me say a car. Alright. Now in this condition, let me say if item is equal to car, let me say cout I am happy. Alright, let me end the line over here. After an if, we'll write an else statement. Else cout I am sad. Alright, and line, and let me save it as if statement .cpp. Okay, so what is happening over here is, for this variable called item, we are storing a string type of character which is car. Alright, so this is the conditional statement over here. Let me comment it over here and let me spell it. Statements. Alright, these are the conditional statements, that is if and else. Alright, so what's happening over here is the item which is storing the value of car. See, what equal to means is it is comparing if what is over here in the item, is it same to what is over here, which I have written over here. Is it same? It is comparing. For comparing purpose we are using this equal to symbol. Alright, so the item is storing the value of car. So and see here in the item we are storing the value of car, and over here it is also car, so it is equal, right? So it will print cout, which is I am happy. Alright, okay, let me compile and run this. It's getting compiled. Okay, see, we have got the value I am happy. Alright, that is because the item is storing the value car, and what I have printed over here is also car. It is comparing the both. Since the both are equal, it is printing I am happy. Alright, consider this: if I have written here bike. Alright, now the item is storing the value of bike. Alright, but here it is car. It is not equal, right? So this cout won't be printed. It will come to this block, which is else, and it will see, because there's no statement over here, it will print I am sad. Alright, let me compile and run. It will print I am sad. See, I am sad. Alright, this is what an if and else statement does. Alright, I hope you understood how this is working. See, the item is storing bike, right? Bike and car is not equal, right? So this will not get printed. Whatever is inside this flower brackets, okay. See, whatever is in this flower brackets, it won't get printed because the statement over here is not equal. So it will come to the next statement, which is else, and it will print this, that is I am sad. Alright, so if I make it again car again, and see, now the item is storing the value car, and here also it is car. These two are equal, so this statement which is inside the flower bracket will get printed, and this in the else it will not get printed. Either of the one should be printed. Alright, either if or else, either of these two will get printed, always either. Alright, both will never get printed at the same time. There. See, now it will come I am happy because both are equal. Item is car, here also I'm putting car. Alright, okay, apart from this, what we also have is else if. This is another one. Alright, consider you have three statements. Alright, let me say here it is BMW car. Alright, so if it is BMW car, okay, and here I'll say if item is equal to Audi car, okay, see out I am medium happy. Alright, let me underline over here. Else see out I am sad. Let me underline. Alright, so what's happening over here is, see, this is if, this is the if statement. Alright, and this is the else if statement, and this is the else statement. Alright, first it will check. See, in the item I have put BMW car. Alright, so it will check if the item is equal to BMW car. See, another point to remember is that either of these three statements will get printed. No two or three statement at a time it will not get printed. Either of one of these will get definitely printed. Alright, say string item, we are having BMW car. So see, here it is BMW car, and here also it is BMW car, so it will get printed I am happy. So the statement inside this flower bracket will get printed, which is I am happy, because even here it is BMW car, here also BMW car. Let me compile and run. See, you can see it is printing I am happy. Okay, okay, now consider this. If I do here Audi car, alright, now the item is storing Audi car, so this will not get printed because Audi car is not equal to BMW car, right? So here this will not get printed, so it will come to the next statement and check if Audi car over here, because item is storing Audi car is equal to Audi car. Okay, this is correct. So we are going to print what is inside this flower bracket, which is I am medium happy. Alright, let me compile and run. We have to get I am medium happy. Alright, we'll see. Yes, see, you can see it is getting printed I am medium happy. Alright, so let me say what, some other car. Let me say Ferrari. Okay, and as you can see, the item here is storing Ferrari car, which is not equal to BMW car, right? So this will not get printed. It will come to the next, and here it will see, is Ferrari car equal to Audi car? No, it is not equal. So even this will not get printed. So what is left at the last, which is the else statement? So it will get printed I am sad. Alright, let me print it. I mean compile and run. So it will give I am sad. See, because none of these statements are matching, the last statement will get executed, which is the else block. Okay, so I'll compile it again. See, I am sad. Okay, now if I make it again back to BMW, and compile and run, it should give I am happy. Right, see, I am happy. So I hope you guys understood this if and else statement, and do subscribe to my channel.